Watch us turn the worst house on the street into our dream home. First, we ripped it all apart. Then we added an extension. It got a lot worse before it got better. We added in this peak so it matched the neighboring houses. And rebuilt the bay in red brick so it would also match. The dormer loft conversion was finished. And we added underfloor heating. It's now starting to all come together. Work, work, work. Trust the process. We added cool features and lighting. Hotel vibes. Dream home done.